Royal poinciana is a species of flowering plant in the bean family Fabaceae, also known as the flame tree due to its bright red flowers. It is native to Madagascar. Indian name is Gulmohar and state tree of Delhi. Though native to Madagascar, Gulmohar was introduced to India by British colonial botanists in the mid-19th century. It is the official tree of Vietnam. In the Philippines, its flowering signals the imminent arrival of the monsoon rains. In the Indian state of Kerala, it is called Kalvaripu, the flower of Calvary.
Me lleve con tu viento, y si la noche me viene a buscar, que me lleve